into making the perfect rice and groundnut pudding is washing and destoning your rice and groundnut properly, grinding it into smooth paste and extracting the milk of the groundnut paste. You're gonna add extra water and allow it to boil. You're going to leave it open because it could foam and you're going to lose all your groundnut milk. If you are new to this channel, I make videos like this every other time. This is just the right time to like and subscribe and share this video, because I make content that educates on side hustles you can do every other time to make extra income. At this point, we're going to add in our raw rice. This is tuwo shinkafa rice. We're going to add it so that it could get done alongside as before the groundnut milk boils. So at this point, we're going to be washing our beans. These are the beans we're going to be using for our beans cake later on. These are the food that we eat normally as a staple food every night before we go to sleep. At this point, you're going to remove the chaff of the beans, and in a big warmer you're going to add in your rice, which is your grinded rice, and we're going to allow this milk, which is your groundnut milk, to boil. Just as soon as it starts to boil, that's when you're going to turn it into the warmer. You can see the consistency is going to change immediately when you turn it in. You can see it's going to be having like a pap consistency, just like you're making your regular pap. And you're going to add in the remaining of your groundnut water into it, because it's going to give it that smooth and milky consistency that you're looking out for. You can see how it is, and you can see the rice chunks in it. That is your tuwo shinkafa rice chunks in it. So your kunu gyada is officially ready. So you're going to wash your beans now. This beans is going to be used for your beans cake later on, because that's just the perfect combination, combining this lovely beans cake with your kunu gyada, which is your rice and groundnut pudding. We're going to grind these beans into smooth paste and we're going to fry it later on. Just to add, you can add in toasted peanut into your kunu gyada. It's going to give it that, nuttiness, and you can grind it or you can add it in chunks. So we're going to add in some salt and water into our beans paste, and we're going to turn it together. The mortar helps to turn it faster and adequately. So that's all. You're just going to add salt, no any complications adding pepper or onion, because when you add that, you just soak into the oil. But when you do it this way, you're just going to have this puff consistency, as if you add in some baking powder. It's going to have this fluffy consistency. That's what makes your akara more unique, when you don't complicate things by adding a lot of things to it, like adding onion, pepper, or grinding some pepper into it. So this is your rice and groundnut pudding, guys, is ready and good to go. So you're gonna add in your sugar, and if you prefer, you can also add in your milk to it, and your kunu gyada is ready. Like I said, you can add in some toasted peanuts to it, in chunks or in paste. You're gonna like it. So our beans cake is ready, and you can see how it's golden brown and it's gonna be delicious. I know it's delicious and it's fluffy. Okay, I think it's delicious. I know it's delicious. Your guess is as good as mine, because I've tasted it, and her akara is very, very, very nice. So in this channel, we teach you on how to embark on side hustles that can give you extra income, side hustles that you can do from home. And if you know that's what you would want more of this video, please like and subscribe.